See, that car had a transponder that's a cell phone signal. I don't know, you call it a receptor or receiver. Is kind of rolled up tight with his window to stick out the side of his car. I was talking to my neighbors about getting one of those to get better cell reception in the park here. I might buy one, but the cheaper ones are $250, so if I don't really need it, pretty expensive. But I'll tell you what, coming back to the park here after being gone so long, this park makes me want to, I'm already ready to come back and I haven't even left. So we're getting around the loop. This area up here that's in red and yellow, that must be where the road is closed, maybe. Now here's goes to Beaver Meadows. No, Upper Beaver. Maybe the Lower Beaver Meadows is the one I'm thinking about. But you'll see elk out here. Oh, not in this field either. It's got to be a hard ground. They don't like the swamp, I don't think. You'd see elk here in the season when they're around. But I do want to get up there towards Bear Lake, and that will be, should I do it today? Heck, kind of sad I got enough chocolate. We'll just scout this road. We don't have to go too far. In the world do they want here now? I don't know where my wallet is. Good. Please proceed, it said. Gotta keep that wallet handy. I'm not sure what I did with it. I guess this maybe is a good time to go up here and maybe see what's around. 12:19. It's beautiful weather. There is rain forecast for today, so it might be a good idea to get a nice drive like this in. Well, I think I better pull over. This guy is like going, just creeping along. Oh, look at that, we're off the map. Oh, now what do we got? This is kind of dangerous how slow they're going. Yeah. Sure, they're just trying to enjoy the park. Well, I can get a more scenic pull-off than this. Give you something looking at the mountains. But I have to readjust the screen and a few other things. Get rid of those people. I don't mind going slow myself, but I don't like going slow following people. Sorry. Moraine Park, another rock moraine, and this is the campground that's closed, Moraine Park Campground. So, but we'll be going past it, the entrance to the campground, I believe. I wonder how far you can get. Go on this direction. Little tiny sign there. Let me read the sign, what it says. Notice herbicide has been applied. Huh. Yeah. So you can't go to the campground, but we'll see how far we can get. It just says closed. Maybe they'll let us drive through it. That would be pretty neat. They gotta fix this road. Rebuilding the whole campground, they better. Maybe that's what they're doing this summer, I don't know. This is pretty old surface on this road. This is it. Cub Lake, 1 mile. Fern Lake, 2 miles. Road is closed officially. Thought maybe they're just kidding. Yeah, they got work to do here. Looks like they're all messed up. Well, Bear Lake. Yeah, they got all this dirt moved here. They're doing something with the road here. Unless they're just putting, yeah, it doesn't look like that's going to be, they're not widening it, I don't think. Yeah, I'll put some new pavement on it and it'll be fine. Got that noise in my transmission unless I'm in sport mode. So I think I'll just leave it in sport mode. going downhill, I get it too. I hope it's nothing major. I should look at my, boy, I got 5.1 miles per kilowatt hour on this trip. That's pretty crazy. It's really good. Well, there's 3 cars in front of us, 3 cars in back of us, so we're in a train. But I set my cruise control and it should be able to maintain 4 car lengths without me having to do anything. It's a bus stop. In the regular season, they don't allow you to drive on this road. It's just buses, I guess. I don't know. Hard to believe.